Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I'm going to show you how to do a replacement for headlamp bulb for 2010 Nissan Versa. You actually do not need to remove the headlamp assembly. I'm doing this because video purpose only. Alright guys, to remove the bulb for the headlights, you actually do 3 steps only, which is just remove the wire harness. There's a rubber here, and then the clips, and just pull out the bulb and replace it. But for recording purpose only, to show you, because we can actually have we can't get the camera to show you the recording with the camera to show you this because it's very tight. That's why I'm taking out the whole assembly to show you the way how you should be doing it. Okay, so this basic 3 simple. Remove wire harness, remove the rubber, and then the light bulb. So basically, just put your hand in there and just grab this wire harness here, which is held by like a 3-prong, and just like wiggle a little bit, and then just pull it out just like that, which is the 3-prong right there, and this is the wire harness. So once you remove the wire harness, is a protective, which is a piece of rubber here, just peel off basically, just like that. There you go. So only protect the boot so don't any water go in there or condensation. So basically the light bulb assembly is held by a 2 hooks, which is like a spring. And what you do is just push down. Well, you can see it. Push down and then just take it out from the hook, just like that. That's the top one, and then there's another one here the same way. Just push down and then out. Once you push it out, you just lift it up like that, and then just remove the light bulb and replace it with a new one. This is the old one. Okay, guys, this is how it works right here. Which is like a spring hook, which is hold the light bulb assembly in its place. That's what it looks like. So I just want to show you how to do it. That's it, guys. For the new part is part number is 9003H4. It's a Silver Star brand, Slovenia, and I got it straight from Advance Auto, about $30 for this. So it's part number is 9003. Okay, replace this new one. Try not to touch the glass part of the light bulb. Yeah, once you want to compare the new and the old part, make sure it's correctly. So this is the old one, is the new one. So as I say, do not try to touch the glass of the light bulb. So the prong is correct, this 3-prong here, so it's the same, so it should be good. Alright, here's a new light bulb. Install it, so let's put it in, and then you want to do is this clip here, so you can see it, one there, and then this here go right in, just like that, and we are in. The new light bulb, the headlight lamp, and the high beam light bulb. Alright, once you put the light bulb in, and make sure to put the spring back to hold light bulb in place, and get the boot back in before you attach everything else. So all you need to do is just like that. Then, next step, you just connect the wire harness back. Go. That's in. Alright guys, once you install the light bulb back, make sure you actually test it first before you install everything else, and because just in case the defect on the bulb, so that's why you want to test it out. And as you can see here, it's working fine. The headlamp bulb is working fine. Everything else is fine. The directional, the beaker lights is working properly, so we're good to go. Thank you guys for watching Tech Time with T. That is how you change 2010 Nissan Versa headlamp and high beam headlamp bulb. And if you want to see all the other video, please check it out above. It's Tech Time with T. And thank you very much and have a good day. Take care.